What is climate change? I ask this question to people and people seems to be confused. Many people feel that air pollution is climate change, deforestation is climate change, or glacier melting is climate change. No, they are not. These are all small, visible part of much bigger, invisible but dangerous phenomena that is climate change. We know from our practice that the invisible threats are more dangerous, and climate change is really one of them. It is invisible and it is everywhere. The climate change is caused by invisible gases, the greenhouse gases or the carbon dioxide. What does it do? It traps the heat and disturbs the energy balance of the planet. It throws entire weather system into chaos. That is climate change. And by the way, climate is not changing. It has already changed. Summers are not same anymore. Winter is not same anymore. Monsoon is not same anymore. Are you all feeling the change? I'm sure you are feeling. Climate has changed. Rather, I would say climate change is accelerating. And why I'm saying this? Because the change is so fast that every single year appears to be distinct year than the previous year. You must have been hearing, oh, we have never seen summer like this. Oh, the winter has become shorter. Oh, the monsoon was never like that. What is all this thing? That indicates that the climate change is accelerating. And this is not coincidence. This is climate change. Rather, this is climate chaos at the beginning. The climate change is slowly turning into chaos. It is the change in the natural pattern of the nature. The pattern of monsoon, the pattern of summer, the pattern of snowfall, the pattern of storms, everything is changing. And it is accelerating. We are seeing this climate chaos all over the planet. You must have heard, in the Los Angeles, more than 10,000 buildings got burnt in the city fires. In Dubai, which is a desert city, there were floods. Can you imagine? In Saudi Arabia, there was snowfall. I have personally visited a village called Sadbhaya in coastal region of Odisha. And when I went there, I was shocked. The village is not there anymore. It disappeared. Why? Why sea level is rising? Glacier melting. Why? Global warming. In South America last year, the forest fires have burned 212 million acres of forest. You know what? That is more than the area of Pakistan. All kind of erratic things are happening all over the planet, something we have not experienced in this intensity and this frequency. And this is not a fiction. This is real. I hope you are realizing that we are living inside climate change. It's all around us. Something that has not happened in tens and thousands of years, it has happened in just last 100 years. So change now, wake up. Yes, climate has changed in the past also. There were times when we went through ice ages. There were warmer period, interglacial period. But let us not confuse. That was a slow change that happens over tens and thousands of years. The change that we are living right now is very, very fast, never happened. In just 100 and 150 years, because of human activities, the climate of this planet has changed. And let me repeat, it is not a natural cycle. This is man-made. This is because of our consumption. We have caused the climate change. And that's why all of us, American, European, Indian, everyone have to understand what climate change is. Not only the policymakers, not only the scientists. Every one of us have to understand. Why? Because if we don't understand, we won't correct it.